two, three, four. The notion came to me, it's very much alive. Comes down to knowing if we're able to survive. And if the answer lies way up in the sky, I hope the scientists keep working overtime. To notice there'll be fewer times around. The world we knew back then no longer can be found. If there's a ray of hope deep in our children's eyes, they'll be the scientists now working overtime. It's all been said before, our creatures won't run dry. Mother Nature will survive, to this I'll testify. Her beauty knows no bounds and no one will deny. That's why the scientists keep working overtime.